The first time the federal lawsuit against Pima County Sheriff Chris Nanos went before a judge. The lawsuit was filed after Chris Nanos placed one of his political opponent's most active supporters on administrative leave as well. News 4 Tucson's chief investigative reporter, Cora Nylander, was inside the courtroom today and joins us live outside the federal courthouse downtown. Cora, what happened today in court?
Yeah, well, after listening to both sides this morning for more than a half hour, the judge has denied Sergeant Aaron Cross's request for a preliminary injunction to take him off of administrative leave. But the judge did go further and order the Pima County Sheriff's Department to clarify what its policy is for off-duty deputies and what they are prohibited from wearing while being engaged in political activities. The judge wrote in his order this afternoon, quote, "Plaintiffs have failed to meet the preliminary injunction standard. The court finds while there are serious questions going to the merits of plaintiff's case, the balance of equities does not weigh sharply in plaintiff's favor. Plaintiffs have not shown irreparable harm, and an injunction is not in the public interest." Cross was placed on administrative leave about 2 weeks ago after he was accused of violating department policy and possibly the law via the Hatch Act, the Sheriff's Department alleges. Sheriff Nanos says they received citizen complaints that he was out campaigning for his political opponent, Heather Lappin, appearing like an on-duty deputy. He was told by a superior to not dress the same way again, but then a couple days later was again accused of resembling a deputy. That's when he was placed on leave. Cross's attorney says everything he wore was not department issued and had no emblems or badges or anything like that associating him with the department. His attorney raised the question, what is a deputy allowed to wear while campaigning off duty? Attorneys representing Nanos were not able to provide much clarity on that question here today. The judge did ask him if Cross could, say, wear a black shirt while out campaigning. They were unable to give a straightforward answer. Inside the courtroom today also were several people showing their support for Aaron Cross.
A lot of good points on both sides. However, I think that it's a personal perspective of the public to decide who looks like a sheriff or a deputy and who doesn't.
You have to respect the constitutional rights of police officers, and the idea that someone can't protest when they're wearing a gray t-shirt and different color pants than people wear for the department is seriously concerning.
And throughout this, Sheriff Nanos has told us that he does not comment on pending litigation. Cross's attorney, after hearing the judge's decision today, said that they're going to keep fighting for their client's First Amendment rights and look forward to seeing that response from the sheriff on their policy for what is prohibited. That is a response that is supposed to be given by the end of tomorrow. We'll keep you updated. For now, we're live outside the federal courthouse in downtown Tucson tonight. Cora Nylander, News 4 Tucson.
To view the document of the judge's full decision for yourself, just visit our website, KVOA.com. Cochise County Sheriff's Office